Hey, good morning everybody. Sorry about not getting a video out yesterday for all you guys that come back every day, and I really appreciate it. But today on my DJI drone, I'm gonna put up 4 videos, 2 at night and 2 in the daytime. And one video at night is in 1080 and one is at 4K. And in the daytime, one is 1080 and one is 4K. And I want to see if you can tell me the difference in which one is which. And make sure you make your comments below and keep them nice and clean and positive, please. And without further ado, let's go check out the video and see if you can tell which ones are 1080 or 4K. I'm gonna make this as short as possible so I don't waste your time. So let's go. Hey, thanks for viewing my videos. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. I'll have another video for you soon, and that is my take on 1080 or is it 4K? Talk to you later. It's Harold signing off.